In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 0.5 camera on Snapchat Android. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure that Snapchat is updated in here. On Snapchat for Android, the 0.5x camera is simply the ultra-wide lens option that lets you zoom out and capture a wider field of view. Whether you see it depends entirely on your phone model, since only devices with an ultra-wide lens, like many newer Samsung, OnePlus, Pixel, and Xiaomi phones, support it. Snapchat doesn't add the feature by itself, it just detects the available lenses on your device. To use it, open Snapchat and switch to the rear camera. You'll notice small icons above the capture button that look like 0.5, 1x, or even 2x. Tap the 0.5 icon and Snapchat will immediately switch to the ultra-wide camera. If you don't see it, pinch the screen with two fingers to zoom out. On supported phones, pinching all the way out automatically switches to the 0.5 lens. If the option isn't showing up, make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version from the Play Store. Also, ensure that your phone's stock camera app actually has a 0.5 ultra wide lens mode. If it doesn't, then Snapchat won't be able to offer it. Some Android phones with multiple cameras may still not expose all lenses to Snapchat due to compatibility limits, in which case you'll only see 1x or 2x. A good trick is to clear Snapchat's cache under Settings. Do that by opening the Settings app. Now, go ahead and scroll down and press on App Management. Now, click on App Settings. In here, look for Snapchat and click on it. Now, tap on Clear Cache, then reopen it. Sometimes the new lens options only appear after a reset. But if your device doesn't have an ultra-wide lens, there's unfortunately no way to enable 0.5x on Snapchat. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.